Now, one of the, I think sisters or brothers raised the question. Our kids, sons and daughters, want to get involved in sports, school teams, volleyball, basketball, in respect to uniforms. What is your opinion? Now, this becomes a tricky issue, but I think what the problem is going to be really is not the kids participating. The problem is if the school administrators are like the French, they may not like our kids coming in hijab and play. In Iran, the kids are playing basketball, volleyball, the girls. I mean, and they have their respective Islamic dress. But of course, that's a government saying you accept us, whether you like it or not. If you want to have a game between America and Iran. Well, in America here, or in France, in America, I think the kids, Muslim kids who want to play volleyball and they dress Islamically, they can get their way, because I think the Supreme Court will support them. You see what I'm saying? I think the Supreme Court will support them to do it, because that's their beliefs. You see, but in France, of course, they cannot get away with that, the French government. But I think in America, they can get away with it. So it depends on the administration, the school board. The Muslims must always remember that they can have fun, but let them have fun not in a dunyaistic manner which negates their Islam. I think we can end with that. That's right. Assalamu alaikum.